Hi, it's Grant here. In today's video, what I'm going to do is just look at where we are with Bitcoin and the wider crypto market, because Bitcoin's halving has happened. And if you don't know, usually when, or historically, once a halving is finished, that signifies the start of a crypto bull run, where Bitcoin and the wider crypto market go on a parabolic run in the months following. So I'm just going to take a look at it so you can decide your next move. So if you're excited to watch the video, why not like, why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this. Okay, on with the video. Like I said, Bitcoin halving has now happened. It happened, I think it was on the 20th, a couple of days ago. And as we are at the moment, Bitcoin is sitting at $66,122. It's actually within striking distance of its all-time high, which I do believe off the top of my head was 73,000, around about $73,800 a Bitcoin. So we're not quite there yet, but we are in that range. So what is going to happen next? And I think it's going to be quite interesting. What happened next, or what happens next. But before I get into that, actually, if you want to find the hottest crypto coins or discover the hottest crypto coins, get research on them so it saves you time, and then get weekly in-depth analysis and research on the crypto markets, but also the hottest narratives, why not consider joining my Crypto Insider Pro newsletter? It's just £1 to join, £1. And you can get this deal up until this coming Friday, until 12 p.m. It's a fantastic deal. You can get access to my blog. You get all of the premium content that I show you here. I've done crypto gaming reviews, AI coin reviews, full review of crypto bull run, and I'm going to be putting more content in there this month. So if you want to join, I'll link to this page down in the description below. You can join for £1, and you can get access to all of that, as well as all of my weekly investor reports. Anyway, on with the video. So where we are with Bitcoin, we're at 66, just over 66,000. But what I want to do is show you the historical Bitcoin chart. So this is a historical Bitcoin chart which shows the previous halving. And very important thing you need to understand about Bitcoin and crypto is if you can understand, how Bitcoin and crypto works historically, you're going to be in a better position for most traders and investors, because you're going to understand how the market moves. So in order to predict what will happen now, let's look at what happened after the last halving. So after the last halving, just before the halving, we had something called the last pre-halving retrace, which happened just before 2020. We had a big pullback, then a rally, which was all part of a retrace. And then we went into a reaccumulation period where Bitcoin doesn't do a whole lot, goes up, comes down, but it's mostly trades within a small sort of window. And then it goes into the post-halving parabolic upside. So where are we at the moment? So we are here. So we're sort of somewhere between the pre-halving retrace and the reaccumulation period. This is a reaccumulation period here. So it wouldn't surprise me, or wouldn't at all, if Bitcoin took a further hit and went down to as low as 52 to 54,000 before going into its reaccumulation period, which is the pink. And then, in the months ahead, it goes off on this parabolic run. So what do I think is going to happen with Bitcoin? I think we're going to go for a pretty of a boring period. I think it's going to frustrate a lot of novice investors and traders, because I think the bull run is over, because we've been on such a good run with Bitcoin and the wider crypto market for the past 6 to 8 months, especially since the ETFs were announced. And I think it's going to frustrate a lot of traders and investors, and it's going to shake out a lot of people. This is kind of like the shakeout period. So yeah, I think it's going to be pretty. I think we could see a further dip, then we're going to go sideways, and then really in the next sort of 2 or 3 months, we're going to be starting the post-halving parabolic upside or bull run, which is statistically when the bull run starts. So That is what I think is going to happen with Bitcoin. Bit of a boring period coming up, but for people who know what they're doing, this is a great time to buy Bitcoin before it takes off and goes on its run to $100,000 or more. So let's have a look at another chart. This is an altcoin chart showing the previous halving. Usually with Bitcoin, Bitcoin's halving has happened. Altcoin season starts and altcoins start their parabolic move. This chart shows the total altcoin market cap, not including Bitcoin. So this is the previous halving in 2020. We saw a very strong pullback. Then basically, the combined alt market cap went off on a parabolic bull run. So I think altcoin season is going to be very near. We're very close to it. This is where we are at the moment. We're here. We're actually still seeing a pullback in altcoins. This can continue. I'll just show you another chart quickly. And this is the altcoin hype cycle. So basically, the altcoin goes in sort of waves. Highest hype where loads of people are interested in buying altcoins, and then lowest lows. We're just coming out the latest hype cycle, or the highest hype. That's going to bottom out sort of like really middle of May, and then altcoin season's probably going to start proper really from middle of May, June onwards. And I think altcoin season's definitely going to be getting away as we get into sort of going through June into July. So, in summary, what is going to happen with the altcoin market? So I think over the next couple of weeks, it would deceive me if we see some pretty heavy dips in the altcoin market. But then I think after the middle of May going into June, I think we're going to see the altcoin season start properly. And then through June, I think altcoins are going to go bonkers, assuming we don't get a black swan event. So say the war in the Middle East doesn't escalate dramatically, which spooks the market. I think really you're looking at middle May to June for the altcoins or the altcoin market to really take off on its parabolic bull run. So that is pretty much what I've got for you today. I just wanted to bring you up to date with what's happening. So yeah, this is Bitcoin. And yeah, that is everything you need to know, really. So in summary, Bitcoin's going to go through, it's going to be heading into its accumulation period. Good time to buy. It's going to be sort of flat and trade between a range, and then it will go off on this parabolic run probably within the next 6 to 8 weeks. Altcoin market, it's going to dip until middle of May, and then middle of May going into June, I think is when the altcoin market will really take off. I'll finish by saying if you want to join my Crypto Insider Pro newsletter, you can join for £1. I'll link to that down below. Also, check out the blog. Check out the blog here. This is all the premium content. This is all my weekly pro analysis. So yeah, why not take a look at the blog? Sorry, just completely lost here. There we go. Here's the blog. I'll link to it down below. There's loads of, I do lots of market analysis and all of the different content you see here. There's a whole ton of it on here. So I'll link to my blog down below. So yeah, anyway, that's what I've got for you. I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.